Welcome back, folks. This drink will rid you of exhaustion. It is very strong and effective. The accumulation of toxins in the blood or intestines can cause chronic fatigue, bloating, and circulatory system problems. To prevent such toxin buildup in the body, it is essential to regularly undergo detoxification. You can achieve effective detoxification with the help of a very simple drink. All you need is garlic and red wine. This elixir will purify the blood, remove excess fat and salt from body tissues, and even accelerate your metabolism. Ingredients: 12 cloves of garlic, bottle of red wine, sealable jug. Preparation: 1. After peeling the garlic cloves, cut them into quarters and place them in a glass jug or a larger jar for preserves. 2. Add half a liter of red wine and securely close the jug. 3. Let the jug stand in a sunny or well-lit place for about 2 weeks. Shake it well every day to ensure the ingredients are thoroughly mixed. 4. After 2 weeks, strain the wine and pour it into a glass bottle. Take 1 teaspoon of the drink 3 times a day for approximately 1 month. If you liked the recipe, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Warning: this is a genuinely potent elixir for cleansing and strengthening the blood. Therefore, after 1 month, take a break of at least another 6 months before repeating the treatment.